The First Alert Wireless Interconnect Hardwired Smoke Alarm responds quickly to slow smoldering fires to protect your family against deadly threats in the home. This 120-volt AC wireless alarm comes with a battery backup and can wirelessly connect up to 18 alarms in your home. With a single silence test button on the front of the alarm, you can easily perform weekly tests to assure your alarm is functioning properly. When an alarm is triggered, you'll hear a loud 85 decibel chirp to alert you. Installation is quick and simple with a theft prevention lock preventing the batteries and alarm from being removed. The First Alert Wireless Interconnect Hardwired Smoke Alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.